Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will learn how to download Visual Studio Code on MacBook. Let's start. Open Safari and search Visual Studio Code. My internet speed is little slow. It's taking some time. Now click the first link of Visual Studio Code editing redefined. Now scroll down. Here you will see Windows and Android, Windows and other, and MacBook is here. And click on download. I have already downloaded, so I will not download again. Now go to terminal. We have to download GCC. I have already downloaded GCC. To check that, type GCC B now we can see that installed already. If you have not installed, then type GCC to check to install. Type GCC and enter. I cannot download because I have already downloaded. Now open vscode. First of all, we have to create a folder. First create folder. Give any random name. I will give hello. Now go to VS Code and drag the folder to the VS Code. Now let's create a new file under this folder. First of all, we have to download the extension. Go on extension. Type C or C++. This is, and I have already downloaded, so you have to download this. Now create one new folder, new file. Sorry, I have already copied the hello program, hello code, so I will run this. Open new terminal and type GCC. First we have to save our program. And the name of the new file and the previous C file. Then press enter. Here you can see the new file is created, new extension file is created. Now type /hello. Now you can see the hello world is printed on your screen. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.